So this video will show you exactly how to create an order on the OpenServe app for any customer that shows interest and wants to order OpenServe. So when you download the app, it looks like this, green icon. And before you sign up, this is the page you will see. So to start, you click on sign in or sign up. Now, if you haven't signed up already, you're going to have to create an account, which is very simple. Sign up now. Enter your email address and enter a password. The password has to have a number, a capital, and a funny letter. Then you just create. Done. You created an account and now it automatically signs you up. If you are logged out, you sign in again with the same details that you created. So, testing, 1, 2, 3, sign in. Done. So this is the sheet you will see when you sign up, right? All your tabs at the bottom, and these are just banners showing all the promotions running currently that OpenServe are offering. So to create an order, you click on coverage on the bottom left. Once you click on coverage, it'll open up this page. Now, you will enter the address. For instance, let's type in the parks. So it comes up with, you'll type in your full address, where you are with the customer. Actually, let's try one that actually is working. 60 Oak Avenue. So while you're typing the address, the banner should open up and give you options. If you see the option of the correct address, you select it. Otherwise, continue typing.